So my friend, here we have another buzz cut, number 2 on top. Skin fade, high fade. He like it very high.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll show you how we do it in the easiest way. We will start with the guideline. We'll set the guideline first. Now you shave everything off below the guideline. Next, I'll shave half off, so I'm not gonna go to the end, just halfway. Now, if you could see, like there's a small line between the super zero and the zero, we're gonna use the trimmer, and I will hit only on this line. Next step, guys, we're gonna go half, like I will open the clipper to the end and I will go 1 inch. Now we'll jump to the next step. There's a small line between the 0 and the half. I'm gonna close the clipper halfway and I will hit only on this line, if you can see it. Next step, guys, I will put number 0.5, 1.5, and I will open the clipper to the end and I will shave everything off. Next step, 1 level open, and I'll hit on the end to the end because the top is number 2, so don't worry if you go a little bit high with it. Now, last step of the fade, I will put 0.5, open the clipper, and you hit only on this line. See this line? That's what you try to remove. Oh, that's a good fade.
Better than a Photoshop.
Better than Photoshop, I agree. Happy face.
Are y'all ready for this?